Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how you can generate product descriptions by using AI right inside Google Sheets. So as you can see, I have some samples products with some sample information about each product, and I'll be using these information about each product to generate a proper and good looking description. So let's get to it. For this, I'll be using this inverted stone scripts for connecting my Google Sheets with the OpenAI API. You can also use the Gemini Pro API if you want, but in this case, I'll be using the OpenAI API inside Google Sheets. So I have already taken the script from here, and then I have put the script inside this extensions tab, like you would see here. Yes, this is the script I have already put here, and then I have also copy pasted the settings sheet, and let's get to it. So if you see, I have written a prompt here, and if I show you the prompt, this is the exact formula, Google Sheets formula, which uses everything here. For example, write a 60-word description for the product B2. B2 is the product name based on the following details. And then there is category. Category is C2. C2 is this. Then manufacturer is D2, and then E2 price, and so on. Everything is here in the prompt, and I'll be passing this prompt to the AI, and based on that, the AI will provide an output. So let me drag it down and then generate the prompts for all the rows that we have. So if you see, we have unique prompts with unique information for each and every row. Right now, we need to move to this settings tab and then do some of the setups. For example, first of all, you will require OpenAI API key, which I have already copy pasted here. You can get the API from here. Then you need to select the OpenAI model. In this case, I am using GPT-4 Turbo model, so I have selected this. And then temperature. So by default, the 0.7 works good for me. Then max tokens. So since like 1000 tokens approximately equal to 750 words, so in this case I'm only going to generate 60 words of output, so maybe just make it 200. It should be fine. Start processing from row and then process until row. So in this case, we want to start processing from the row number 2, and then we want to process till the row number 11. So I'll just write 2 and then 11 here. Then data sheet name. Everything is being done in this sheet called data. So I'll just write data. And then the prompt columns and output columns. So in this case, the prompt column is J, and we want the output inside the column K. So I'll just write J in the prompt column and then output column in as K. And if you want if you have multiple prompt columns, you can just specify each columns separated by comma, something like maybe the prompt column is L and then output column is M, so you can write like this. But in this case, I'll just skip that because we have only one prompt column and then only one output column. Okay, everything is set, and I'll just come here and start the click on this fetch GPT data button, and it should start generating the outputs. For the first time when you run this, you may be asked to authenticate your Gmail, and then it will start working. So as you see, everything is being generated here, and yes, it should be okay. If you check, $120 which is coming from here, then 2.5 lbs backpack which is coming from here, then mountain gear alpine hiking backpack, mountain gear is coming from here, then alpine hiking backpack is coming from here, then durable nylon which is coming from here, and stays dry with its waterproof design which is coming from here, and then confidence backed by a 2-year warranty which is coming from here. So everything would be perfect because all the information that the AI is giving us is coming from here, so there should not be any inaccuracies. And if you see, within seconds all the outputs are generated. So this is how it works, and if you want, I will be putting the links to these scripts in the description below, and you can use it in however you want to. So okay, That's it for the video, and see you in the next video.